Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Green Revolution, which was a kind of revolution in the field of agriculture. It was initiated by Norman Borlaug in 1960. Borlaug is also called as the father of Green Revolution in the world. Borlaug, for his invention, won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1970, as he had developed the high yielding varieties of wheat, which is called as HYV seeds. Green Revolution was brought to India and the Indian subcontinent, including Pakistan, by M.S. Swaminathan, who was a plant breeder and geneticist. He had introduced in India the high yielding varieties of wheat and rice and had protected India and Pakistan from various kinds of famine like conditions. M.S. Swaminathan was awarded the World Food Prize in the year 1987. He had great contribution in spreading Green Revolution over a period between 1967 to 68 and 1977 to 78. The advent of Green Revolution in India had saved and had converted India from a food deficient country to one of the greatest and world's leading agricultural nations. What are the objectives of Green Revolution? How and why it had been established in India? The first and short term goal was to solve the hunger crisis of India, and it was introduced in the second 5-year plan. Its long term objective was to modernize agricultural development as well as to help rural development and industrial modernization and development. Apart from that, its objective is also to provide more employment to the agriculturalists as well as industrialists, and to plant more stronger plants so that these plants and crops can withstand extreme climatic conditions as well as diseases, helping in globalization of agricultural products. Even helped in globalization because the technology had spread all over the world, even in the non industrialized nations. Green Revolution, its features. Now, Green Revolution had led to the expansion of farming areas or farmlands so that more and more crops can be cultivated over a larger area. It even helped to introduce a two crop or double cropping system in India, where two crops were grown in different seasons of the year instead of one, thus rapidly increasing the produce and the production of agriculture. Water was provided from various irrigational projects which was introduced by the government. Various dams were built and multinational companies and projects were established. High yielding variety of seeds with improved genetics were introduced, especially of wheat, rice, millet and corn. These varieties were introduced by the Indian Council for Agricultural Research